In this lesson, we're going to learn about tally charts. So if we have a problem like this that says this tally chart shows how many of each fruit was picked for a picnic, how many more apples than mangoes were picked. So the first step is to count the tallies for each fruit to know how many there are. And then step 2, focus on the apples and the mangoes. So let's see how many apples there are. Let's do that first step now, okay? So let's count the number of tallies for the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 apples. So let's put 4 here. And now let's count the bananas. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one across is the 5th one. So there's 5 bananas. So let's put that in. Now let's count the number of mangoes. Number of mangoes is 1, 2, 3. So let's put that in. 3 mangoes. So now we have to figure out how many more mangoes, how many more apples than mangoes were packed. How many more means subtract to find the answer. So we're going to subtract 4 apples minus 3 mangoes, and that equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So there is 1 more apple than there are mangoes, and that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You're probably one explanation away from getting it. There's nothing wrong with repeating. So if you need further resources, take a look at the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening.